Welcome everybody to National Laser Institute.
National Laser Institute.
National Laser Institute.
National Laser Institute.
The National Laser Institute.
Where we pioneered the medical aesthetics marketplace almost 20 years ago. Cosmetic lasers, cosmetic injections, and so much more. We're about to take a tour of our amazing corporate headquarters in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, where we've got 3 lobbies, a video production studio, a classroom, a party room, 10 treatment rooms, and so much more. Are you ready? Here we go. And this is our amazing, brand new, remodeled lobby in Scottsdale, Arizona with the vibrant blue colors, blingy chandeliers, waterfalls, and so much more. And our second lobby in Scottsdale, Arizona, intimate, chic, and VIP. And if you got all kinds of questions and want a private consult, this room is just for you. With 10 stunning treatment rooms where the magic happens, instruction on cosmetic lasers, cosmetic injections, and so much more. And in this massive campus, of course, we've got custom-made lockers for your valuables. Everything is important to us. I absolutely love this campus. We've been here for over 20 years. The artwork, the floors, the cabinets, and even the kitchen. Check it out. Love, love, love. And sprinkled all across our campus are motivational, inspirational quotes to get you going. One of my favorite ones is right here by Maya Angelou. People will forget the words that you say. People will forget the things that you do, but people will never forget the way that you make them feel. And at our corporate headquarters, we have over 100 amazing team members that are here to serve you. Our spa staff, our admissions department, our client services department, our marketing department, our accounting department, our graduate services department are here to take care of you. Here's my office where the magic happens behind the scenes. Voila. And of course, we have our National Laser Institute sign and beautiful black and pink furniture in the classrooms over here. Are you ready? Let's check it out. And when your training experience starts, we of course take you in the classroom with 20-foot ceilings to project our materials on, where you're learning all about cosmetic technologies like lasers, cosmetic injections like Botox and fillers, and so much more. Our classroom seats over 45 people, and also we converted it into an event room where we have amazing parties, not just here in Scottsdale, Arizona, but we have parties in Dallas, Chicago, Boston, Vegas, New York, Hawaii, Nashville, and so many more locations. We'd love to see you soon.
So the one thing that really made me stand out from any other resumes was I went to the National Laser Institute.
And it changed my life. I'm telling you, it made me so happy.
I had my first interview while I was still in school at National Laser Institute and had a job offer before I even flew back to Missouri.
Doing something where people are like, yes, please put needles in my face. You're like, okay, this is fine.
2 weeks to get that job.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I rated a 20. It was phenomenal.
Like, that certificate means everything to me.
I loved it.